got the bus?
I think Ice got it.
Got a good song out of it. We need some more. Let's get this poppin' because I'm finna have to go back to Miami real quick. About 3 days. I can't miss the foreign party. With all the people with the bitches on.
I need you Monday.
I can't take that many niggas though. I can only take a small crew this time. It's gonna be about 5 big booty bitches here. It's different going on. I need some hard to have some bedrooms and feel comfortable.
Nah, so he said he wasn't.
It's gonna be like 30 big booty. It's gonna be probably about 400 million followers in that bitch. Of like a bitches.
Bragging. Cheers up, I
hate my shit got deleted, fool. I'm my mama. I should have blood that shit game.
So you telling me that we don't have those joints, but you got the headband, sir?
Oh yeah, he tripping. I got the headband, some more
You
shit.
supposed to have a headband on right now.
I knew he had it on. I just.
Man, who cares?
I'm chilling.
This is way cooler. The motherfucking shorts on some fucking. That's video shoot though. That's video shoot. Video shoot there. You got the shirt too? I mean, you can more beat him because that's you.
I got the yellow Coca-Cola shirt. I got the black and red. I got the black and red with the black.
What's Coca-Cola saying? What's they saying for the soda?
Why can't Jefferson use that Coke? Nah.
Why drink back Pepsi?
Hey, what?
Yeah, that don't sound like hard. Yeah, bitch. We're right now.
I got one back and man, dripping, spilling, splashing, tears up in this yard. Mo bitch, chilling straight like that. Hey man, say man, hey, get your motherfucking tickets for your bitch come up missing, man. You know what I'm talking about? Cause we really getting, man, out the sauce and the spill and the splash real fast for you bitch ass niggas who can't last, man.
When last time you been to South?
Man, I've been to South since last time I was awesome, and now I'm back South-erific and goddamn he's spill-a-tific. You bitch ass niggas get spinnerific.
How did your surgery go when you got your heart removed?
The bird.
That shit cold.
Yeah.
They put me to sleep. That's a punchline.
Okay, go ahead. Cool. You got axe on? Come on, sucking, bro. I gotta smoke with you, bitch. Come on, man. Go bust the wood and get a backpack. Bust the wood and put the backpack.
I'm coming right there.
Bust the wood and put the backpack.
You got it.
You got a backpack? I mean,
Who funny?
Man,
Who
big
funny?
head, huh? Who getting on there? This song? Yeah.
Uno on that hoe.
I'm trying to go on
He
there.
starting it.
Uno starting it.
The shark don't start that hoe.
You ain't even pull up the. Yeah, there you go. No, I heard. Oh, you sent to me. Yeah, I heard it. What you on Toro, bitch?
Oh, he got on it? Yeah. Gotta do some motherfucking rapping. Yeah. Shark in the water, trying to break on your daughter.
So what's the hoe now?
I can rap on it.
Nene on your bitch.
So come on. Nigga, Nene hard. Yeah.
Hard.
Punch him. Punch him, get it.
You didn't want to rap? What you said? Talking to the mic.
Yeah, stop playing.
Think I turn it up.
I was to check one of my.
Nene. Nene. Talking to the mic.
I listen to
Here we go.
Which one? I'm trying to get the one you.
That's it. Hey, we're dripping, spilling, and splashing. Shit, cause we doing this here sauce all down the motherfucking
I'm on it.
house.
I'm on it, blood. Let me
I'm
hear.
talking about no bit of general shit. You know what I'm saying? What's in your knapsack? Pussy ass nigga. I got some rent and some motherfucking money.
I grabbed the wrong, you know. I ain't grabbed the wrong thing. I ain't grabbed a fanny pack. I grabbed a purse. You didn't know what's in the purse. What's going on?
We spending that shit and we getting that shit. That's new dubs to get in the motherfucking club with a couple pinks and some blues for you niggas to know that it's true. Hey, guess what? My nigga got some new diamonds and they shining. Can you see them? Straight like that.
That's what the roller make them niggas want to do like that. How that bracelet got my shit.
Y'all just pay attention if I ain't mentioned, nigga.
What you kind of got my phone on? Who's this?
I'm ready to rap.
I gotta put the beat on the computer. It's already done, so. You ain't got no flash drive?
I just got an SD card.
He about to make sure it don't got nothing on it.
Got some weed.
This shit look good.
I don't like the way it smells. It really smell like candy.
Niggas been having that bullshit. Wee. So guess what? I don't wanna buy. I wanted my baguettes look good on this camera. You know what I'm saying? Cartier, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, tell KK to hurry up, man. See what I'm saying? Now he's finna travel to the other room.
He getting ice. Taking too long, bro.
Oh, motherfucker, bro. Fuck it, man. He need this bitch. Fuck it. He'll just get him that hoe. Fuck it. Damn, motherfucker, bro. Bro, if you got a boot drive, keep your shit, bro. Keep your shit. That shit take like 8 hours to fucking make, nigga. What you talking about? Damn, that bitch take 8 hours, bro. That bitch gone like that.
Gone.
That bitch gone.
All 8 hours gone.
What?
You'll get it back in 8 hours.
Damn, just whoop the whoop.
Yeah.
You adapted.
Nah, that's the
see that?
Nah, for sure.
Like,
You see
what
that?
you did, train like a 10?
12.
Wax.
12, 8 days.
Weedstonians.
He kind of adapt, but
For real?
he ain't even adapt. Listen,
This my big
this was
homie
so
on
crazy.
Mad
Okay,
Smoke. He
bro,
started
I
this.
put this on my mama. I
I'm a
swear to
little
God, and
homie,
everything I
he's
love. Bitch, I had been hearing you say mash mode and talk, but I didn't know this was the same mash mode like all over Houston. You know what I'm saying? Look, bro, I was locked up with so many of them niggas. Look, I was on Clemens with, damn, I wish Bin Laden bitch ass was here. He'll tell you the
Let me
nigga
say
name,
something.
man.
Mash Mouth is like South. It was probably about 200, 200 niggas in it. But it was
for
1,000 niggas that wanted
Who
to be
had
in
some
it.
murders, Walt? Who had some murders? So look,
Like I
with
told
your
you,
cases and shit like that, you would catch you with mash
talking about
mode.
nigga had waves.
that was four
Hey,
Mash
fool.
Mouth.
Hey, fool, this nigga had waves, boy. I'm talking about athlete.
be
athlete, track star,
Nah,
football.
man.
I'm talking about
That shit crazy. Hey, Walt, what unit you was on, Walt? Hey, look on my kids. I heard about this bitch. Look, I swear to God on my mama, I heard about this bitch. Before he turned to South Swamp, you know what I heard about? And trade that shit.
You say what units I was
Oh,
on?
Clemens, yeah, what unit you was on, Walt?
Bradshaw, Henderson, Holiday, Bird,
Bradshaw, whatever, wide open.
Bradshaw, Bird, Holiday,
Run that back. Can't get that. You can't get that.
Bird, Holiday, Bradshaw, Henderson. Wade when I got out. It was one more little bullshit transfer I went to.
You went for that shit, Walt? That
Violated. I violated my probation on it. But I got shot probation. I
Oh
violated.
yeah, that shot probation. It's like you already in a penitentiary.
Yeah,
They
no,
let
I
you
had
stay on
to
the
still
streets
go
though.
to the penitentiary.
Yeah,
I had to go to the penitentiary for a year and a half. Then I got out on the F5-6 and then did cognitive intervention program, SAP. Then I had to do halfway house, and then I had to do the
Well, they try to give every step the fuck up.
outpatient. I ran from the halfway house, violated, had to go to ISF. When I violated, I had to go back to TDC, but it was just on the ISF side. I ain't had to do no safety. Then I went to ISF with everybody, TDC and DUI. For
Like 6 months.
Yeah, for like 6 months. No, 90 days.
90, yeah, ISF
90 days. ISF, I violated. I ran from the halfway house. I went back to the freeway. That's why a bunch of niggas that I ran from the like niggas from the feds, niggas from the penitentiary that was in the penitentiary with me, niggas that went straight to say, cause some niggas didn't even go to the penitentiary, they just went straight to say P. I ain't get there where you go straight to say P. I had to go to the penitentiary first. I had to be on bird unit, nigga, transfer for like, you only supposed to be on bird unit for like 3 weeks or some shit. I was on bird unit for 3 months, 2 months, nigga, because they got me like with the niggas that's 17, 19, then everybody that's old. Like all the activated niggas. You got niggas that come up in there that's on the murder. Yeah, I'm on game 5, nigga. Nigga, when you got niggas that's 17, they got them in jail in the hallway.
It's over.
You know, don't you, in my line, don't the young niggas be in their own. When you 17 and you gotta go to the real TDC, they ain't gonna put you in TYC. They gonna put you in the cell in the hallway by yourself in the middle of everything.
Yeah, that's why I was.
With niggas doing
Wild P program. Wild P.
I swear to God.
You Wild P 17 went to Clemens Wild P program. On my kids, they put you back
but you gonna be in TDC.
Yeah, you in TDC now. You in
I'm
TDC.
not talking about no.
But listen, the Wild P program is a youth program.
Yeah, the you
not
in the program.
But look,
I'm 29.
but look, the
I'm
Wild
take it twice.
But look, the Wild P died like what we were doing, what they were doing with us.
Backstreet.
Backstreet 2 and 3.
Backstreet on the
Mama, that's my baby. Hey,
Ask about me.
I should have gone to like 60, boy.
Listen,
That hoe got 60, nigga.
He went back.
I mean, that hoe got 60, a hard 60. Hey, man, that man.
Hey, I was just finna say, call him, man. Ask about me.
I got his number in the penitentiary.
Call that bitch and ask about me, man. Down there, man. You think I'm call him quick one and ask about me, man. Watch what he tell you. Oh God, man, watch what he tell you, man. Watch
I got a girl and everything.
That's why you call him Backstreet.
We were so deep, Boogotti. We were so deep. Smash Mode was a game.
Oh yeah, they could have got y'all organized.
Nah, when I got charged. Listen,
that was your charge, Walt?
Listen, you can Google my shit.
Listen to me.
Nigga, I had a kingpin charge when I was 19. That's why I got shot for basic because I was still a teenager. I was 19 when I caught that shit.
When I got locked up at 18 years old, they charged me with organized crime, murder, leader of a gang. Yeah.
We all got
It
this
going
shit.
down.
You got
Nigga,
blessed,
man,
nigga.
I
Did a
got
12?
Nigga,
Walt
you,
got,
listen,
you got
bro,
blessed too, Walt.
listen, bro, if you go to Google and you type in my name, Apple Walker Mundane, it's nigga, first thing pop up, not no rap shit, nigga.
That's crazy. We on blood. I did not know
Nigga,
that.
you type in my name, Apple Walker Mundane, whenever you want to tell a nigga about me and you talking about my shit, it's all.
Boy,
yeah, nigga.
boy, look at that nigga. Walt was on some suicidal, gang banging, white boy crazy shit. And motherfuckers say, shit. Look, hey, this stop playing.
Hey, read what it say. Read what it say.
Say TSU. Now, hold on. That's the college?
What he do? What he do?
In the
What
parking
you
lot.
shot up the college?
Man, there was some gangbanging going on. There was niggas shot.
Nah, this nigga shot the college up.
It wasn't even about that. Niggas hit my niggas. Niggas hit my niggas up. It wasn't about no kids. There was some grown people shit going on. They people hit my partners up.
Bro, this what get niggas 100 years. That type of shit. A nigga gon' South Walker being a nigga favorite rapper. Nigga gon' look that shit up. Trying to do a South Walker. They gon' get 100 years for that shit. Well, that's a bad ass case.
Bugatti nigga bumping. I had a $500,000 bond.
Nah, for sure.
I would have Googled my name.
They tried to give me a
Man charged in Missouri. Oh yeah, that's right. You from Mo City? Yeah.
Bit of general.
Yeah,
You
Mo
ain't
City
know about
killer
it, don't
suspect
forget
turned himself in after witness
Bro,
said he was a shooter.
Look, nigga, these niggas that's out on my cases and shit. Nigga, with me and Javance, that's me again for a different shooting. This for a whole nother shooting.
That's a whole other shit.
Yeah, nigga, I'm talking about.
Hey, just
Man, you was 18.
Look, nigga, that's stacks, nigga. Look,
that's back in the game.
look. Search continues for six suspects in Houston shooting.
So they caught you first, Walt?
Yeah, I was the main.
They made sure they got his ass. They made sure
I was the main.
They tried to take
suspect.
that down.
God.
Hey, Bugatti, it got to the point where they pull you over if you was in red. You going in the mash mode book. They gonna take a picture of you and stamp you. And once you in that bitch, it's over with.
So they treated mash mode. They ain't treated like
gangland.
Oh yeah.
Nah, for sure.
Well, nigga, we made the
Yeah,
TV
they
show
treated y'all like
Gangland.
y'all.
did.
They treated y'all like y'all was Crips and Bloods.
Well, that shit was active. What are you talking
When
about?
I'm seeing, I'm seeing like they try to make mash mode its own set.
At the Jamaican
Yeah, they try to make
Yeah, like they try to make it they own set. Like that's a set.
They done Jamal.
Damn, somebody told on you, Trey?
Hey, look,
Hey,
bro.
look.
Look, nigga, say Houston, Texas.gov. This in the same, we ain't clicked on nothing. It's on the same front page engine. Houston, Texas.gov. The suspect, Apple Walker Mundane, date of birth June 29, 1990, is charged with engaging in organized criminal activity, nigga. Organized crime, nigga.
Damn, Walk, your birthday, my birthday,
Nigga,
3 days before yours.
263rd court, nigga. That's the big boy felony court, nigga. 263rd, nigga. That's big boy. That's big boy.
Hey, Walk, you ain't had no felonies before that, huh? Like adult felonies?
Nah, all
They
my
would've sent you
cases.
to the feds.
All my cases are aggravated shootings. All my cases are guns, and I don't got no drug type cases. All my cases by slinging it.
Boy, I swear to God.
Heavy case.
Hey, listen, if that was this generation right now,
That's why I was trying to tell you that. Bugatti, listen to what I'm trying to tell you. That's why I say that gangster shit was fade. Not saying that niggas
yeah. I get exactly what he's saying, Walt.
We was on a
Because
different
Walt, if you
level.
caught that case right now,
I
Walt,
was on CNN.
you would never see daylight.